This was a great opportunity for learning different domains and disciplines from industry-leading experts and with industry-leading equipments.
I would really like to thank
Dr. G.K. Goswami sir, Director of your UPSIFS Lucknow.
I would like to thank UPSIFS Lucknow for providing me this excellent opportunity,
as it helped me grow in my personal perspective and academic perspective as well,
which helped me to build my own experience and to enhance my profile.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to UPSIFS. We are offering you here the Summer Internship program for all the enthusiastic and eager students who want to learn various avenues of forensic sciences. Here in the lab of advanced DNA fingerprinting, we will offer you not only the modular various workflow of DNA fingerprinting, but also we will teach you the major insights into the DNA fingerprinting. Myself, Dr. Shruti Dasgupta. I'm Professor of Practice in School of Forensic Sciences, UPSIFS Lucknow, and also Officer in charge of ADDC, that is Advanced DNA Diagnostic Center at UPSIFS Lucknow. This is actually a state-of-the-art forensic laboratory which has the first clean room facility in the state for forensic DNA analysis. Here we have all the advanced equipments right from DNA extraction, quantification, genotyping and sequencing. So we have with us automated extraction systems, we have multiple PCRs, RT-PCRs and genetic analyzer for the whole module of the DNA fingerprinting. Here, we will not only teach the students how to perform the experiment inside the lab, but also we will be focusing on how the data is interpreted, how it can be proposed in the code, and how the code depositions are given. They will be exposed with various other kinds of cases and case studies so that they will be well knowledgeable about the cases.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Natasha Agarwal, Assistant Professor in the School of Forensic Science, UPSIFS Lucknow. I am in charge of the Instrumentation Lab and the Toxicological Lab in the School of Forensic Science. Come on, let me show you our labs. In our Instrumentation Lab, in this lab, we have different sections and different instruments. Let me show you the GC instrument lab. In our GC lab, we have two GC instruments. This is GC FID and we have GC MSMS. And as we all know that in forensic science, right now, the importance of GC instruments is huge. We can analyze multiple forensic samples using this instrument. This is our lab which has FTIR instrument, UV visible spectrophotometer and HPTLC. We have COMAX HPTLC instrument very brilliantly on the forensic samples. FTIR instrument very sensitive, very good for forensic samples and UV visible spectroscopy. Since we all know that analytical toxicology incorporates so many instruments, one other instrument that we have is UFLC.
Good morning, dear forensic enthusiasts. I am Dr. Pawan Gupta, Assistant Professor under School of Forensic Science at Uttar Pradesh State Institute of Forensic Science, Lucknow. In our institute, we have several laboratories, out of which I am going to present one of the laboratories that we have, that is Question Document Examination Laboratory. I am basically the in charge of that particular laboratory. This is basically a portable document examination detector tool, which is one of the common tool which is basically used in most of the banking sector as well for the examination of currency. Here we have an advanced instrument, that is VSC, Video Spectral Comparator, make Foster and Freeman, which is world leading manufacturer providing solutions in the field of question document examination as well as fingerprint. This instrument is basically used by our students for the examination of security features in various documents such as passports, visa, currencies. Not only they examine the security features of the document, this instrument provides solutions to detect the forgeries within the documents. If there is any tampering or any alteration caused to a document, that can also be detected through this instrument. This instrument is one of the advanced instrument. We have an advanced version of VSC, that is 8000 HS.
Hello, future forensic experts. My name is Dr. Ajit Kumar, and I am the assistant professor at UPSIFS, and I am the in charge of forensic biology and serology division, and also the in charge of this internship program. So for the upcoming internship program, we focus on very good concept, law with lab concept, where we provide the hands-on training to the students, like FTIR analysis on the different biological samples, as well as the morphological examinations of like hair, then dye atoms, then pollen grains. So we have the advanced instrumentation system in our forensic lab, so that the student will learn the advanced concept and apply it to the upcoming their future.